fortunate that I've been endorsing Globe for how many years now. It's a big honor that they still trust me to be part of their family. So every time that they invite me for an event, I would put an extra effort to make my performance a memorable one. Check out my latest event with them.
Hello guys, nandito tayo sa Sofitel Hotel para sa Globe National Convention. I'll be singing one song, yung pong Reach by Gloria Estefan. Yan, an inspiring song sa lahat ng mga employees ng Globe.
It was the Globe National Convention. They hold it once a year where they gather their salespeople and, hold presentations and, that kind of an event.
I was invited to sing one song, ito yung Reach by Gloria Estefan. Very inspiring words, di ba? Parang, if I could reach higher.
Please welcome the one and only Miss Sara Geronimo.
Akalain na pagkakatiwalaan ka na kumpanya na endorsement. So maraming salamat po sa Globe family ko na until now magkakasama pa rin po tayo. Okay naman yung naging performance ko that day. At si Bamboo nandun yung endorser din ng Globe.